talk through them no more than ya. Skin clean, so no sore by ya. Up in life you wanna live, then you wanna world it a show. No, no, them no more than ya.
What's up, guys? So today we are going to be reviewing the My Lisa hair. This is like the little box that it came in. So right away you see a wig cap. I think I might use it because, as you know, we're all under quarantine. So, and if you hear a sound in the background, that's just my fan. It is really hot in this household. So this is the hair. Don't mind my messy little background, but this is the hair. 18 inches. I just wanted to see how it felt. It felt really soft. Obviously I have to bleach the knot. I'm not going to do that on camera, but I am going to bleach the knots and get back to y'all in a few. Hey y'all, it's your girl Kanesha and I'm back. Okay, so this is the hair that I just got, My Lisa hair. I tried to bleach the knots. Okay, not really that successful, but basically I'm doing the little bod cap method. This is the first time I've ever thought about doing this. Okay, so I'm trying it out. So basically what I did was got a wig cap, put it on my head, pulled it down to as far as I could pull it, used my Got To Be free spray and just sprayed it, let it dry a little bit. I don't think I let it dry all the way, but you know, it's good. It's good. First time for everything, learning. Now that I did that, I put the wig on my head. The wig is still kind of wet, but it is what it is. So if you guys can see, I put little black, I use eyeliner or an eyebrow pencil to kind of make little black marks because obviously I pulled this down too far. So I'm going to use rubbing alcohol. This is 70% rubbing alcohol, and just try to take off the adhesive and cut it down a little bit more. So this is what I use to cut it, and you can get this at any beauty supply store, Sephora, dollar store, whatever floats your boat. Okay, what I'm trying to do is get the, I don't know if I'm doing it right, but I'm trying to get the wig cap to kind of match up with the hairline. Okay, with my hairline, I guess I should say. This is just gonna have to do. How you doing? So I kind of got it to dry. The Got To Be, so y'all know that I used this initially and then y'all saw that it was lifting, so I switched to this. It takes a while to dry. I didn't want to plug in my blow dryer because that's a lot of work, so I used my fan, and it just leaves a shiny little overcast. I could do the rubbing alcohol again, but let's put this hair on first. So what I need is foundation, so let me go grab that. And I'm just going to put this all over the front, I assume. See, I'm just putting it over the front, so that way it kind of blends in with your head top. Y'all feel me? I don't know what to do from here. Okay. So I think we're gonna go it down piece by piece, but first I'm gonna get some clips to clip the hair back so that way it's not getting everywhere. So I got my 3 little clips, and I just want to pin the hair back so that way I can see what's popping in the front. Around the ear, I just want to make sure the ears are comfortable first, so I kind of just cut it that way. And now for the other side. Great. So now I have the base. This is the part that's that has me tormented. I'm gonna get the middle down first and work my way from there. So I'm being real ghetto right now because I don't want to get my blow dryer. I'm using a fan. And I'm just getting it to stay in place. Okay. 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 So I'm back after the struggle that it took. But for the most part, it looks like it's secured. Okay. Now it's time to cut Lilies. So how am I gonna do this? We might do it like this. We might do snip, just because I am no prof. Okay. I think I got it. Y'all see this? Y'all see this? Okay. Okay. Let's clean some of this up. Am I supposed to go closer? See, the problem is this. If I can go a tad bit closer, then I'm gonna try. Okay. Alright. Not the greatest, but we can work with it. So this is how it looks. I mean, it don't look bad. It don't look bad at all. I already messed up a lot in this hair video, but you know, hey boo. It's not too bad, but let me do a little something. Let me do a little something. Actually, I can't just leave y'all hanging like this. Like, this is unacceptable. Alright, so it's not gonna be a full, like, little glam, but it is gonna be a look because let's just see how it looks when I do, like, a full little glam. See, the thing that kind of sticks out about this is right here. I think, well, how did glue get underneath? How? Oh. Ugh. I feel like it's from far to look bad. I think up close you can look bad, but I mean, it don't look bad, but it look bad at the same time. You know what? The next time I do this, the lace is gonna be cut properly. Like when you see me in this wig again, it's gonna be. But you all get the gist of it, okay? If it turns out bomb, then that means I didn't do a bad job. Only I noticed it. Period. Now that that's done, should I turn on the light? I feel like I should. Okay, so then I didn't even show y'all what I've been using, but basically the eyeshadow I used from the ColourPop Give It To Me Straight palette. I used Candid, which is this one right here. For my setting powder, I used Laura Mercier, which is like my favorite go-to. Foundation was NARS. Ellie Girl Pro Concealer. And yeah. This hair though is real nice and silky. I'm not sponsoring NARS, so let me just do that way. This hair though is real nice and silky. Like, there's a fan on me, so that's why it's legit, y'all. I went from damn to glam. Okay, I went from damn to glam, and the hair's not even styled. Why I feel like this? So maybe I should put on a whole outfit to kind of get y'all a vibe. But this is how the hair looks. Clearly I didn't cut enough of the lace, okay? But you know, from far it don't look bad. Like, looking here, it don't look bad. But then again, I wear glasses, so the thing is, I think I did a damn good job for my first time. So yeah, but let me put on a little outfit. Like, I feel cute. Hold on. And I went from damn to glam. Okay, this is how it looks. And honestly, if I really felt a way about the if I really felt a way about the hairline, I'll do my little signature move, okay? And it's either A, you put it down like this, and have it wrapped around. Let me show y'all how this will look. If I was really worried about it, I'd probably go out like, golly, obviously it's not done properly, but just to like give y'all a little vibe, you know, something like this. Or even something like this, and I would most likely wear it like this, just because this is how I would normally wear a bandana on a daily basis anyway. And kind of just push it back, turn it to the side, make it gangster, and then, you know, you kind of just play with the hair now. Okay, but it's not too bad. It's not ugly. It's not done. Like, obviously the lace, first timer, you know, but I still think it turned out pretty well. So if y'all are watching to the end of this video, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all enjoyed the little glam look as well. So, you know, hope y'all have a good rest of your day, or morning, evening, night, whenever y'all are watching this. And I hope y'all are staying safe during this COVID-19. Hopefully it ends soon. Alright? Now y'all know I couldn't end the video off like that. So this is how it looks. This is the finished product. When I add the baby hair, it don't look that bad. You know? Like, obviously here you can see, but like once I added the baby hair on the side, it's like, obviously the swoops are kind of big, but you know, we're trying to camouflage. We're trying to make do with what we got. But I'm very, very, very proud of myself. Yeah. So now this is the end of the video. Hope y'all are staying safe. Okay? You know, pray that we get out of this quarantine, because I think I'm going crazy. I'm doing all these looks and ain't got nowhere to go. Can't go nowhere because everywhere locked up. But you guys, don't forget to comment, like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends, and you know, hit the notification bell so that way you guys, I'm gonna try and make more videos so that way you know that I know that we know that you're making videos, that I'm making videos. You feel me? Alright?
And a girl can't program, yeah. Yeah, she blessed from she birth and she know where she worth, talk true.